What's going on, my fellow skiers and riders? It's Michaela with your December 27th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. Today looks like it's going to be a perfect day to spend at the mountain. We're expecting temps to range from 21 to 33 degrees throughout the day with some 5 to 10 mile per hour north winds. During daytime hours, the sun will be shining and lighting up our trails, while at night we've got plenty of stadium lights to guide us down the slopes. Our base steps are still ranging from 23 to 53 inches, and we have 21 trails and 7 lifts open. Our crew always works hard to deliver fresh, groomed snow every day. We've got an exciting new operating schedule for the holiday hours, as we will be opening up at 7:30 a.m. and close at 10 p.m. Our Victory Bowl lift will be opening up at 10 a.m. today. We couldn't ask for better weather this week. It's perfect to come out and shred to maximize your holiday fun. And don't forget to join us for Midnight Madness on New Year's Eve to celebrate the upcoming New Year. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you're enjoying the holidays with your family, and I'll ski you on the slopes.